Don't lick your fingers, Brittany. No.
Oh, I see your mouth moving. Okay, here. Show me your reindeer. Look at mommy. Show me your reindeer. Look, mommy. Look at mommy. You can eat it as soon as you take a good picture. Here, look at me and smile. And then you can eat it. I know you're doing it. Okay.
Keeping him off. Don't squeeze it so hard because it's going to pop out the back.
Okay, you got it. You want it off?
Alright, that's what I had a problem before. It squeezed out the back on me.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy's eyes. Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's paper towels.
Yeah, we have paper towels.
Oh man, he ate his nose first? Ouch.
People? Napkins?
Okay, I was going to put a bit of frosting on it for you. Okay?
Wash hands?
That's what I was going to do. Stop. 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 Stop.